Maybe those right here.
All right, we're out here playing in the snow. Right in the eye. Say we were gonna go fishing this morning, but this is what we woke up to. Oh, that stings. That's freezing cold.
I can't even see. Heck, there are It's just fun.
Did you fall out?
Just like it happened last year.
Woo. Okay. Come on, baby. What else you want to do?
So, the other thing that we do is go to the front yard.
You're getting vloggy, all covered in snow, Jazzy.
Can you get this off me?
I'm trying. My fingers are numb.
Snowstorm. More snow. I think I got snowstorm. It's just. Where did I go?
Don't leave her there.
She's over.
There he goes.
Daddy, look.
She's frozen. All right, I think it's time to go in, baby. No, don't. Don't hit me in the face with it. It hurt.
I tried to hit Boggy.
Oh, yeah, that's fine.
Yeah.
You're going to have to dust it off now.
Oh my gosh.
I can't. This is the camera.
Oh.
It's a scraper. Jazzy, look. Yeah, it's scraping up the road. Are you trying to save your fairy garden?
Deep. Daddy tried to pick out that.
From a pig.
Oh, it's gonna be freezing to death.
That's frozen bacon, huh? No, it's just old. Just needs regular upkeep. Okay. Stings, it's already starting to melt, baby. jacket, show your kid. Zip up your jacket. Zip up your jacket. Here, I can help you.
It's not hard to.
I can help you. I can't feel my hands very much, but I can.
Let's just play instead of work on this car. It's already pretty clean.
I just wanted to get the front. The front of the car is good.
Yeah, I did the windows too, so you can look out the window.
Thank you. We're probably not going to leave anytime soon, but
Ew, Daddy, look what the snow did.
oh, that's just normal wear and tear. Oh,
Look. What the heck?
what happened?
I just took that ever apart.
Icicles can be very sharp once they're broken.
Here we go. Look.
Very nice. Are you ready?
Yeah. Daddy! I want to like stuff on my shoes. You're running and it would go.
Oh my gosh, the sheet snow was hitting
Yeah. This is what you get from it.
you.